tea latte, and this one is a real game changer. It's just so versatile. There's so many different teas that you can make into tea lattes. So I'm going to show you it with chocolate abyss today, which is a black tea with lots of coconut flakes and chocolate nibs and things. It's really, really delicious. So I'm going to show you two ways to make it. So you can either make it with the cold brew tea that you've already made. So generally in our tea room, we've got teas like our chocolate abyss and our chai that we make tea lattes with all the time, always pre-made as a cold brew. Or if you don't have that made, you can just brew the tea nice and hot in the first place. So I'm just going to, ideally if you're making it in a mug, you want to fill the tea 80% full, fill the mug 80% full with tea, and then top it with our milk mixture. So I'm just going to get this on brewing. So it's just a teaspoon of tea, I'm just using a paper filter for ease, and I'm just going to fill the mug to about 80% full. And I'm just going to let that brew just for a little bit longer than usual, so maybe like 4 or 5 minutes would be ideal. And while that's brewing, I'm going to show you how to make it with the cold tea mixture. So in here I've got some milk already, and I'm just using 60% milk mixed with 40% of condensed milk, which is the secret ingredient which really gives it that body and weight. So it's very akin to almost like a cafe latte. So I'm just going to put a little bit of the condensed milk in there. And then the beauty of doing it this way, you can brew it all together. So I'm just going to add the 80% of my tea mixture now as well. And then I'm going to, if you're lucky enough to have a steam wand, you can steam it all together, or you can heat it separately as well and just whisk it separately, whichever works for you. So I'm just going to steam this now. You can heat it separately as well and just whisk it separately, whichever works for you. So I'm just going to steam this now. Okay, so once you've got your milk mixture nice and hot and frothy, you just simply pour it on the top. So you've got your 80% tea in your mug, and you're just topping it with your slightly sweetened milk mixture, and there you have it, a tea latte.